Hello and welcome to another episode of Intellect Digest. I am your host Dipali. So without much ado, let's get started. In this video, I'll tell you 11 tips to boost the battery life of your Android phone. These tips will help in improving the battery life of your Android phone to a great extent. First thing that you should do is tweak your display brightness settings. Setting up auto brightness is considered to save battery life, yet we suggest you not to rely on that. Auto brightness will always brighten your screen more than what you actually need. Thus, you should keep making some changes manually in the display brightness according to your needs. Try to keep the display brightness as low as possible. Less brighter the screen, more power you'll save. Second is turn off the apps running in background. Once we are done using social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. or playing games on our phones, we come back to home screen believing that the app has been turned off. But this is not what actually happens. The apps keep running in the background consuming power and are required to be turned off. Make sure to turn off the apps running in the background when you are done using them. Third tip is to turn off automatic notifications. You should check the notifications manually rather than putting on the automatic notifications of various apps on your phone. If you need to check emails, comments or posts of your social media accounts or notifications of other apps, then you can directly go to the app to check your notifications. This will save your phone's battery life to a great extent. Next is to check out which app is consuming maximum battery. Launch your phone setting app and find out which app is eating more battery. It is preferable to delete or uninstall those apps which are unimportant and consuming most of your phone's battery unnecessarily. You must also delete old apps which according to you are of no use. Next is turn off location settings. There are plenty of apps that access your current location. However, not all of them actually make use of the location. So it is preferable to turn off the GPS or location settings unless it is actually required, like in Maps app. Sixth is update your apps immediately. To avoid the apps from chewing up more battery, update them as soon as the new update arrives. Most of the updates are rolled out for battery and memory optimization. Thus, keeping all the apps updated will save you more battery on your Android phone. Even if you have set your phone for automatic updates, you must keep a check manually since there are some apps which require the user to install the updates manually. Next is turn off screen quickly. Try not to leave your smartphone unused with its screen on. Always turn off or lock the screen as soon as you are done using the device. This will help your battery life run longer. You can also set the phone on automatic turn off or lock, which switches the screen off if it is found inactive for some time. Keep the screen timeout as short as possible. Next is use dark themes and backgrounds. Dark wallpapers or backgrounds require a very little battery to light up their pixels. This will prolong your battery life if your Android phone features AMOLED display. Ninth is avoid using live or animated wallpapers as they consume a lot of battery juice and make the phone's battery die soon. Instead of live or animated wallpapers, you can put static wallpapers on your device to avoid it from consuming more power. Next is turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. We often forget to turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on our phones even when we have stopped using them and they are no longer required. If we leave our Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on, they keep chewing up battery by looking for new networks and devices to join. Thus, always make sure to turn off both when they are not in use. Next is turn off vibration. Every time our phone vibrates, it consumes a lot of battery with each vibration. Avoid putting your Android phone on vibration mode and put the phone on just ringing mode instead. You can change the vibration settings manually. I hope that this video helped you boost your Android phone's battery. If you practiced these tips and it helped you, or if you have other tips to share, then don't forget to share with us in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please leave a thumbs up by pressing the like button. For more such videos from Intellect Digest, make sure you hit the red subscribe button. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.